Did you know that your legs can lose up to 10% of their strength in just 2 weeks without the right nutrients? That's not just a statistic, it's a silent warning. Imagine waking up one morning, placing your feet on the ground and feeling unsure if your legs will hold you. This isn't just aging, it's your body whispering, "Help me." But here's the truth that many never hear. Your legs are not failing you, they're just waiting to be nourished again. If you or someone you love is tired of feeling weak, of being woken by painful leg cramps, or of fearing a fall every time you stand up, stay with me, because in this video, I'll show you the 3 most powerful vitamins that stop leg cramps, restore strength, and give you back the confidence you thought was lost. So please, take a moment to like this video, subscribe to our channel, True Wisdom Inspires, and comment below with the word, "I'm ready to feel strong again." Let's walk this journey together. Let me tell you a story. Maria is 81. When she first came to me, she could barely climb the steps into my office. Her daughter held her arm tightly, afraid she might fall. Maria had stopped going outside, avoided stairs, and would cry at night from cramps so intense they made her sweat. She told me, "Doctor, I think my body is giving up on me." But I smiled gently and said, "Maria, your body hasn't given up. It's just missing what it needs to fight." Today, she walks her garden path every morning, smiles without fear, and says, "I feel like myself again." What changed? Just 3 small things. 3 essential vitamins that too many seniors are quietly missing. You see, after the age of 60, something subtle begins to happen. Your body absorbs less from food. Medications like stomach pills, water pills, and diabetes drugs begin to slowly drain the vitamins your muscles need. And sadly, many people just assume that weakness, shakiness, and cramps are normal signs of aging. They're not. They're signs of deficiency, signals, warnings. But here's the hope. Those signals can be reversed. Let me now show you the 3 most important vitamins your legs are begging for, and how you can start restoring strength today. The first is vitamin B12. Think of it like insulation around an electrical wire. It protects your nerves and allows signals from your brain to reach your legs quickly and smoothly. Without it, you might feel like your legs are shaking under you. You might feel numbness or tingling, as if your legs no longer belong to you. Even if you're eating full meals, your body might not be absorbing B12 properly anymore. What can you do? Add one simple thing to your breakfast: a boiled egg, a slice of boiled chicken, or a cup of plain yogurt. If you're vegetarian, fortified cereals or plant milk with B12 can help. The key is consistency. Within weeks, many people report steadier balance and more confident steps. The second vitamin is vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin. When we were younger, stepping into the sun was enough to make plenty of it. But now, our skin doesn't produce it as efficiently, and if you're mostly indoors, your stores are likely very low. What does that mean? Weaker muscles, fragile bones, easy fatigue, falls that could have been avoided, but just 10-15 minutes of morning sunlight on your arms and face before 9 a.m. clock (AM) can make a big difference. Add to that 2 meals a week with fatty fish like salmon or sardines. If you don't eat fish, drink milk or fortified alternatives. Vitamin D is the key that unlocks muscle power and joint strength. Now let's talk about the third, magnesium. This quiet mineral is the rhythm behind your movement. Without it, your muscles cramp, tighten, and spasm. You wake up in the night clutching your leg, groaning in pain. Magnesium calms your muscles. It helps them relax and recover. And you don't need expensive pills to get it. Just eat a handful of pumpkin seeds or almonds each day at a meal with spinach or Swiss chard. And here's a simple nighttime trick. Eat half a banana before bed. You'll sleep deeper and wake up with fewer cramps. Now imagine what happens when you get all 3 working together. B12 for smooth signals, D for strength, and magnesium for calm, cramp-free movement. Your legs respond, your balance improves, you start trusting your body again. I've seen it happen in hundreds of patients who thought their best days were behind them. But before we continue, I want to ask something of you. If this information is helping you, please give this video a thumbs up. It tells YouTube to share this video with more people who need it. And if you know someone, an elderly parent, a friend, a neighbor who struggles to stay steady on their feet, please share this with them. One small action could save them from a fall, a fracture, or worse. You might be wondering, why am I low in these vitamins when I eat normally? Well, here's the truth. After 60, your stomach produces less acid, your intestines absorb less, and common meds flush these nutrients out silently. That's why it's not just about eating more, it's about eating smart and at the right time. Let me show you a simple plan. Morning. Eat 1 boiled egg or plain yogurt, then sit in the sun for 10 minutes. Afternoon. Add a handful of pumpkin seeds or almonds. Include leafy greens in your lunch. Evening. Eat half a banana, don't skip dinner, and avoid overcooking your food. High heat destroys vitamins. These are not massive changes, but they are powerful. I've seen seniors go from walkers to walking unaided just by nourishing their bodies the right way. Still wondering if this really works? Let me tell you about Michael. He's 82. He spent 40 years as a mechanic and thought he'd spend the rest of his life in a wheelchair. But after just 3 weeks of following this exact plan, 10 minutes in the sun, a serving of sardines, a handful of almonds, his night cramps vanished. 2 months later, he walked into my office, no cane, no help. He said, "I didn't think I had any strength left, but I do." You do too. To help you even more, here are 5 golden principles to remember. Never skip breakfast. Protein-rich meals fuel your muscles for the day. Spend 10 minutes in morning sunlight. Even on cloudy days, light matters. Eat fish or eggs daily. They're simple, powerful sources of B12 and D. Get magnesium from seeds and grains. Your muscles will thank you. Start now. Don't wait until you feel helpless. Your recovery begins today. Say this with me. I am not helpless. Every day I will do one small thing to help my body. Write that in the comments. Not for me, for yourself. Declare it. Let your future self see it. And if this message has touched your heart, inspired you, or helped you in any way, please hit like, subscribe, and share this video. I read every comment you leave, and I promise to reply to as many as I can. Ask your questions. Share your story. This is a community where no one has to walk this health journey alone. Your legs are not done yet. You are not too old. You are not too weak. Your body has simply been waiting for a little attention, a little care, and a little belief. Thank you for spending this time with me. I hope today becomes the day you decide to take your first step, not just with your legs, but with your spirit, because you are stronger than you think.